Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing collective haul with you, items from Mango and Zara. It's the first time you are coming across my channel. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video from me, and you are very welcome. And guys, if you want to see the way I style these items on my daily basis, subscribe to my channel because I do a lot of styling video, so you don't want to miss any pieces. Because this video I will be sharing these actually items with you, but the next video I will show you the way I will style it to different type of destination. And the first items I will be sharing is these amazing pieces from Mango. It's elegant, it's huge, just name it. This cardigan is everything. It will elevate every wardrobe. I love this gray number. I think it's very chic and put together. You cannot really go wrong. Look at the details it have. It's amazing, and the length is huge. And you have this amazing button. You cannot really go wrong with this type of cardigan, and it's on sale. I love this cardigan because the full price is a little bit expensive. I was just waiting for this cardigan so that the price goes down a little bit. In fact, that it's still pricey, but not too pricey. It's like 50 quid now, so it's not too expensive. Take that in consideration. I love this number. I decided to pick it in size medium. It's gorgeous, it's elegant, it's chic. Like this particular number will elevate every wardrobe, and you have an amazing pocket. Like I said, if you want to see the way I will style this particular number, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be creating different type of outfit. Like you see, this particular number is very elegant, it's chic, so you can actually style this different type of way with skirt, knickers, shorts, just name it, denim, leather pants. You cannot really go wrong with this type of number. And the next items I will be sharing is this gorgeous this raincoats, because you have to think of practicality. This number here will save you on the rainy day. It's elegant, it's still giving chic. I just love it. It's simple, it's giving gray, light green, so depends on the light. I love this particular one because it's something that I actually really need in my wardrobe. Raincoats, and it's amazing. Like you have zip, button, just name it. So you are the one that are going to decide the way you will like to style it. I think you cannot really go wrong with this particular one, and I decided to pick it in size L because normally I love wearing this type of items on top of my blazer so that I will still look very comfortable and easy. And let me know what you think about the color. I think raincoats, if you live like place like Germany or London or America, I think you need this one in your wardrobe. So it depends on your area, but personally I actually need this one here in Berlin. The next items I will be sharing is this particular one, and this one is two pieces. Let me just show you the blast first. It's a little bit cropped and it's velvet. This one is amazing. It will keep you warm. You know, those days that you want to wear joggers, you don't want to overdress, but you still want to look put together, you don't want to have that jogger effect, I will say go for this type of number. And this particular one is on sale too in Zara. I really love it, and it has these details of golden button. Like I said, this shirt is a little bit cropped, so you will see me styling on this number in my channel continuously because I really love this particular one. And it has the matching pants. Like it's giving jogger, and the blouse I decided to pick it in M, and the pants I decided to pick it in extra large because I want it to be swooping the floor. I don't know if you can imagine it. The blouse a little bit cropped, but trousers so that I can put it super high waist, and it's still swooping the floor. With my sneakers, with my trench coat, or with my any elegant coat, I'm ready to go. This type of number is those items that those days you really want to keep your outfit easy. You are going to grocery store, but it doesn't want to look like someone that just left home without dressing. But this one will make you put together and elegant. Like I said, it's on sale, so you cannot really go wrong with this. And it have these details of gold. It's amazing. And this particular one will keep you warm. Let me show you inside. Like the lading is perfect, and you have pockets on both sides. Since we are talking about suede, I decided to pick these elegant pieces. This one have a matching blazer, but I decided not to pick the blazer because I have other different type of suede blazer already in my wardrobe. I think I didn't need it, but I don't have a elegant suede pants. This one is a navy blue. Like I said, Zara have the matching blazer. I love the elegant. It have pockets, Like you can style this to work, to business. You will look put together, you will look very very elegant. I love the tailor fit, and I decided to pick it in size L large. Is because it's not stretching at all. Like it's still, so you have to take that in consideration. You have to go to your true size. I really love it, although it's a little bit gappy on the waist side, but the leg side I love the way for. I love the fact that it's just sweeping the floor. The length is huge, is elegant, is chic, is giving. I can style this particular number with any of my blazer. It's navy blue, it's not picking, so it's quite easy to style. I love this particular one. And the next pieces I will be sharing is this amazing cardigan with these details of button. And for size reference is size X. I will say go down in this particular one because normally I always size up in my items, but I decided to try this on the shop. I tried the L, the M, but just so, like it was sweeping the floor, it was just too much. The shoulder was not giving, so I then decided to size that, decided to pick it in the S, and it was perfect. Like I love the color, I love the combination. I've seen myself styling it with this suede pant with jeans. I'm ready to go. I can style this particular one with different items I already have in my wardrobe with a little coming under. You are ready to go. Like this particular one, you can style it all over, and it's quite office appropriate. Something else I will be sharing is this particular number. I love this hoodie. I just love it. I love the color. The reason why I pick it is just the color. And I have a coats, long coats that have almost the same color. So I've seen myself styling this particular number with blue jeans, with my long coat and this hoodie, with my sneakers, shade. Like I know the way I'm going to style it, or with a total black outfit, or with a tailor neutral pants. Like I can style this all over. Like I have 10 ways already the way I want to style it. And for size reference, I decided to pick it in medium. I will say size in this particular number too, and this particular one too. It's on sale. Take that into consideration. It's very very affordable. Like it's almost 12 quid, like 12.99, 13 quid. Like you cannot go wrong in this type of number. The other items I will be sharing is a simple basic. You cannot go wrong with. Take basic in consideration. Don't take it for granted. For you to be able to build a nice wardrobe, you need the basic. Blazer, black blazer, neutral blazer, rose blazer, just name it. Your leather jacket, you can't go wrong. Or even with a neutral coat. Those days that you don't want to overdress, a neutral coat, this particular number, with your denim, your sneakers, grocery store, you are ready, and you still look put together and very very elegant. So take your basic in consideration. And for size reference, I decided to take it in L. It's a little bit elasticated. Something else, since we are talking about rose color, but this particular one is a little bit cropped, and you have this microfill. I don't know if you can see the effect. So both of them, like I don't know if you can see the difference. So they are quite different. And for size reference, I decided to pick this one in size medium. I decided to size down this particular one because I see myself styling with jeans, those long leg jeans with a massive blazer. I just create the look on my brain. I know the way I will style it, and I have a blazer from Zara, and exactly this color. So when I'm shopping, I like to take things I already have in my existing wardrobe in consideration. So I have two blazers that have almost identical color. So this one is win-win in my wardrobe, and it's a little bit elasticated. And I also pick it in blue. Like basic, you cannot go wrong. This particular one with your black denim or blue denim, your leather jacket is perfect. And for price reference is €6.99, 7 quid. Come on, you cannot go wrong. €7. The next one I will be sharing is still a simple tee. It's just a simple basic tee. Like for it, with this blazer I'm wearing, I can actually style this to work with my denim. So I love this type of item. For size reference, this is size L, and this was 4 quid, $3.99. Take Zara basic in consideration. Go to online if you cannot go to their shop and pick it. For summer, you are going to pay full price €19, so why not get it now for €3? This particular one is $9.99, and the full price was 15 quid. So you have to take that. This is opportunity to pick your pieces, and these have microfill too. I don't know if you can see it. Under your blazer is gray. You cannot really go wrong. Gray color goes with a lot. I have a lot of tailor pants that have similar colors, so for me, if I'm going to work, this is just a easy way for me to dress up. With my tailor pants, my leather jacket, my sneakers, my bag, I'm ready to go. The other basic I will be sharing is still from Zara. Then if you can see, this is a little bit elasticated, and I decided to pick it in size medium, and the price is $4.99, like 5 quid. You cannot go wrong from Zara, and the full price was 16 quid. So take your basic now that is in sale, like under your blazer, your jacket, just name it. And I decided to pick 2 colors. I just love this color because I think this goes with a lot. So I decided to pick this gray, but I think it's quite office appropriate. It's not screaming, and I love the fact that it's no sleeve. And I also pick it in neutral color too. I wanted to pick it in 2, but I was able to find just only this one. Like I said, 5 quid, €5, and the full price, the initial price was 16 quid. So you cannot really go wrong from this. And the last items I will be sharing is this amazing jumper. This jumper, I don't know what. Normally I will not pick it, I don't know, but I tried it. It looked nice. I'm still thinking about it because I think it's not, I cannot call it a beautiful sweater, but for one reason it looked nice on me, so I decided to pick it. And for size reference is size medium, and I paid 19.9, like 20 quid. And I love the neckline with necklace, tiny details necklace. We just go there with your burgundy, if you have any burgundy sneakers or shoe, with your handbag, your jeans, your coat, you are ready to go. I love items that is easy to style, like for real, and it looked nice on me. And even with this leather pants, you will look nice. So guys, let me know what you think about items I've shared with you. Like I said, if you want to see the way I style these items, subscribe to my channel because I will be creating, I have different type of lookbook that is coming, so keep your eyes on the channel. And this is the first time you are coming across my channel, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video from me, and you are very welcome.